Hello, it's your guy Kiara from I Did You Affiliate, and today we're gonna be continuing our easiest way to make money on Clickbank series here. So yesterday I sent the email out using the system that my lead gen system, a secret, right? And today we're gonna just check on the results and then send another email because we got to do this every day to make some consistent sales. And like I say, temper your expectations a little bit because, like I said, we just started for one, and I'm not doing this on 5 different accounts. I'm only doing this on one account. So um, we'll see what we did here. So first off, let's look at the email here, see what we did. Okay, let's refresh. Okay. All right. So let's look at the email here. YouTube is interested in hiring you. We got 101 clicks. More than likely, that means we didn't get a sale because it's not over above 250. But let's check and see if we got a sale. We could have got a sale. That's the average. The average is above 250 clicks. Around 250 to 300 clicks, you usually get a sale within that percentage, the average. But you can get sales at 100. You can get sales at 2. Like it can be anywhere. So let's click on Clickbank here and see if we received the sale yet. Let's go to reporting here. Oh, we got a sale. We did get a sale. Okay. As you can see here, this is yesterday. We got a sale right here, social paid. That's what we put out yesterday. We got a tracking link with MLGS, right? Yep, MLGS came from MLGS. We got our first sale here on the first day, guys. On the first day. I already got a sale. It's only $19, but we got our first sale just that quick. So that already day 2 of this case study, I've already gotten it to work. I already shown proof that it works, as you can see. It looks like 2 people were considering buying here. 5 people went through. 2 people were considering buying, but only 1 person actually went through with it. As stated before, this system works. The real people, you can get real sales with it. I just want to prove that it's not bots or anything like that. These are real people you can get sales with and stuff. And yeah, and like I stated before, you need 4 or 5 accounts. You should get 4 or 5 accounts to get a really good steady income using it. You know what I mean? So anyway, we're gonna continue on. From here, we're gonna do the same thing we did yesterday here. Let's see here, mailing system here. Right here, we only gonna use this one account again. We're gonna do the same thing here, you know, and then we're gonna find the offer that we used before here for the marketplace. Now, like stated before, what you want to do when you're looking for an offer, you definitely want to go into the e-business and e-marketing because these people are interested in making money online. That's what they sign in the my lead gen secrets from. They ask them, hey, are you interested in getting offers of making money online? They say yes, and that's why we can send emails to them, so it's completely compliant, and that's what they sign it in for. So, but they're cold leads. They're definitely cold leads. They're not warm to you. But other than that, you can still get. These are real people you can get sales from. All right, so let's click on. So you want to use e-business, e-marketing. Now, because they're cold leads, you can get sales in other areas here. But they're interested in making money online, so you're probably only gonna get sales with this. You can get sales with this. It's happened before. I've never tried personally, but I heard of people trying it and it works, but it doesn't work well. Like you might get 1 or 2 sporadic sales here and there. But with health and fitness in particular, I heard health and fitness could work, but you know, it's neither here nor there. So we clicking on e-business, e-marketing once again here. What you want to do is rank it by gravity, and I'm gonna show you the offers. We use this offer here to get the sale here. This is the one that got the sale. So that's the one we're gonna use again. But I want to talk about the offers you should look for to get you sales. Right here, get paid Facebook, and all that, Twitter and YouTube. That's a good one. I've gotten sales with this one. But as you can see, it's not worth much. So I probably wouldn't do this one, but you can get sales from it. I've tried this one. I have never gotten a sale with this one. Paid online writing jobs, you can get sales with this one. I tried this a little bit, didn't get a sale. I ain't tried as hard as the other one, the perpetual income. But I mean, affiliate, I tried it. I didn't get a sale, but I only tried it a little bit. I didn't try it real hard. I got in sales with live chat job, and I got in sales with writing ups. Not as many sales with writing ups, but definitely got sales with it. This is a new one that I was considering trying. This is pretty new. It's only been on Clickbank for a little while here, and it's already doing really well. So I maybe consider doing this one as well. Okay, let's get back to the one we're gonna use here. We're gonna go with get paid for use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube here. So, oh, I already did it. Okay, my bad. All right, so we're gonna close that. Okay. Let's go to email swipes. That's what we want to do here. We're going to go to the second one here. Be paid for commenting on YouTube videos, or $840 a week hiring 3 people from country. Either one of these could work, I think. If you're interested, what you can do, if you want to change, oh yeah, let's show you something. I'm going to show you something that I use to change emails around just in case. You don't have to do this, but what you could do is use WordTune editor here, and what you could do, you could post paste, just in case you don't like how it sounds or something and you can't really come up with something else you want to use here. You can use WordTune editor here, and you could pick, they'll change what the comment is in a different way here for free. You can do this for free. Now if you want to buy stuff, you can change it in certain ways, like make it formal, make it casual, shorten it, lengthen it. You can do all kinds of stuff if you pay for it, but we're just sticking with keeping it pretty simple here. We're gonna go with earn money by commenting on YouTube videos. Copy. So we're gonna use that. So let's go with that here. Earn money by commenting on YouTube videos. We'll just go with that. Whatever. You know what? Let's capitalize here. I'm just gonna do this here personally. I don't know. I feel like it catches attention a little bit more. Like a first. We'll just try it, see what happens. It might work out a little bit better. I don't know. Now the kind of emails that tend to work here depends, but let's go with, we could just copy those from here. All sign is need to be quick. Copy. What we're gonna do here, you can always go into WordTune and edit this if you want to. I just want to show you a way to change it if you want to change it. You can also do that with articles and stuff if you want to write articles. But I just want to show a way to change it without much work. But that's the interest of this, channel. Try to get, learn, make money online without putting in too much work. Cause I think that's the big thing. A lot of people say you need to work hard to make money, and you just don't if you know what you're doing. And I just want to squash that idea. So we're gonna put my name here. See, when you see country, you put your area like before. Put that there. See what else? Hi, name. When you see name, you put the first name fits here. All right. Yeah. need to do that there. Remember, the base. All right. So remember that I'm only using one account. So hit the blue line to apply. Okay. Hit this blue line to apply. We'll put our link right there. Okay. So here we go get our link. So what we're gonna do, we go to here, we hit promote, we pick MLGS1. That's just the first using one account, but you know, we might use 2, 3, 4, 5 so we can track which account gets the sale. I'm only using one account for this. I'm just saying that's what you guys should do. Get multiple accounts. Try to get 5 accounts. Start with 1 or 2 maybe, so you can have one. Already have. I'll explain it later. Hold up. Let's finish this off real quick. Hold that. Now you can put your photo or anything. You want to add some more stuff to the email, maybe a photo with your signature, something like that if you want to. Personally, I think just putting your name is fine. You don't really need, you barely even need to put your name, to be honest. I've gotten clicks without even pinning my name, so it don't matter. And clicks is the main thing. You won't get people to the offer. You want to get people to the offer, so as long as they get into the offer, you're fine. So anyway, make sure you have it on perfect timing, and then you preview it. Make sure the link works. Can't stress that enough. Make sure the link works. Always check and see if the link works. It works, so you're fine. But make sure it works, man. I've sent emails and I put it in there and it just didn't work. The link didn't work sometimes. That's why I say that. Preview it. Make sure the link works. Make sure that's one of the things, because if the link doesn't work, you don't make any money, no matter if the dude wanna buy or not, you know, or the person. All right, so we send the email here, right? Go on, send the email, let that load up there once again, and all right, so the email's been sent, right? All right, so all 20,800 people gonna see it. That's why I say start with 2 accounts at least, so you can go and build up the amount of people you can send an email to. All right, so let's go to, we'll go to what I wanted to explain earlier is that you want at least 2 accounts so you can get 200 leads on one account and 100 leads on the other. I already have 300 leads coming in every day for you. That's why I say get 2 accounts, which is 100, maybe 120. So, you know, I have a link in the description below.
People are getting insane results using my avatar.
I have a link in the description below. That auto plays, it's kind of annoying, but anyway, I have a link in the description below for my lead gen secret. You start your account, right? And you'll only get 100 leads a day. You'll only get 100 leads a day. But as soon as you
People are getting insane results using my.
Sorry about that. As soon as you get commissions, right, it jumps up to 200 leads per day. I got a bunch of sales on it because, you know, that's all I was promoting for a minute, and got a couple of sales on it. But as you can see, the sales is the main benefit is the leads jump to bonus. You get your bonus 100 leads a day. So when you start with 2 accounts, at least 2, you get 300 leads per day. That's why you want to do that like that. And you daisy chain your own account. You subscribe, you become an affiliate of your own accounts. That way the $30 turn into $25 a month. So yeah, the most you're gonna spend is when you start the account to set it up. After that, just roll with it. You don't need, okay, it got some upsells like master email swipes. You don't need them at all because we're using emails with Clickbank. You don't need the master email swipes. Also, let me talk about something else here. As I show WordTune editor here, I want to show another thing that I have about helping you with emails, just in case you want to promote something else that's a little bit different, doesn't have any emails for it. So what you do here, I want to show this real quick. Where is it? Affiliate tool. Okay, right here. Infinite email swipes. This here, I put a link to it below as well. What it does is shows you just random make money online emails you could send. These are the type of email that works on my lead gen secret. It catches attention. That's your goal. Crazy simple earnings. See, this will work. Click here to see it. You put your link there. These are the type of email that work, that get people clicking through. Because you're interested in that, right? Crazy simple earnings. That's what this channel is all about, making money online with the least work possible. Because a lot of people have a lot of making money online, but it's a lot of nuances that they don't explain a lot of times, like setting up a website that looks good, setting up this, setting up that. It's a lot of stuff to do. This method here is so easy to do. It's so simple, and that's what this channel, that's what this channel is all about. I'm kind of going over myself over and over again. That's what my digital affiliate is all about, making your life easy. Making your life easy. And you just don't need all of that stuff. You don't really need to work hard. All you gotta remember is to send an email every day, which is very easy to do. It's so many ways to do that. Like I say here, right here, crazy simple earnings. You can send this email here, promoting whatever you want to promote, as long as it's making money online. I hit new swipe right here, right? Something else pops up. I have something real amazing for you today. Increase your sales with this, blah, blah, blah. Talk later. You know what I'm saying? Very simple email. Again, new swipe. Your cash is available. When can I send it? You see what I'm saying? It's so many of them like that. And just in case you want to try to use different, emails and try to change them up a little bit, you can use this method here. You use this here. Change the emails up. Earn your emails linked to at the link to the scuba. Hold up, I'm messing up. Just hit that like that, and now you can change this whole thing just like that. Getting checks has never been easier. You can change that to, I'm just gonna click something. We made it easier every day to get checks. Just change it around a little bit. Want to do that? Click here for full details. For more information, click here. Details can be found by clicking here. Details are available here. For details, click here. The beautiful details, please click here. Click here for more information. You just change this whole thing. That's a whole different email. You know what I mean? So I just want to show y'all this ability here. If you ever wanna use like Ed Newman's infinite email, I have it all. I have all this stuff in the link in the description, so don't worry, I'll send them all there. And yeah, that's about all I have to say. All right, hope this helps you guys out and show you that this does work, indeed work. Definitely got my first sale already. So yeah, there you go. All right, bye.